If you're looking into planting sugar snap peas in Zone 9B, I'm going to give you all the information you need to have a successful harvest. When it comes to growing vegetables in our area, we are incredibly fortunate. We have 7 actual months out of the growing year that you can grow peas. You can plant peas in the garden starting the end of September until mid-March. I recommend once you plant your seeds, mark on your calendar on that day, and every 10 days after that, go plant more seeds. You can do this until mid-March to get a continued harvest through its growing season. That's a ton of harvest. Each individual plant doesn't last long, only 4 to 8 weeks, which is why succession planting is important. To start planting, add compost and a Spoma garden tone to your soil. Stick your finger in the hole 1 to 2 inches deep, 1 inch for cooler months and 2 inches for warmer months. Plant 2 seeds in each hole to ensure 1 sprouts. Keep your seeds consistently wet. Sugar snap peas don't like to dry out, they like to stay moist. Test the soil anytime you're out there by sticking your finger in the ground. If it's dry, water it. If you want to speed up your germination, soak your seeds in water 6 to 24 hours before planting. It usually takes 7 to 14 days to sprout, so be patient. It takes an average of 60 to 70 days to harvest your peas, and if you do succession planting, you will have a great harvest throughout the season.